Hello everyone, in today's video I'm going to show you how to delete your ChatGPT account. So after you open the application or the browser if you are using web version and log into account, which is very important, what you are going to do is you are going to see your name or your profile on the left bottom. You click on it and then you are going to choose settings, and in the settings here you will find the left section. You have many options. You are going to choose account, the one before last, and then just under your name and email you will find delete account. You just click on it, and here as you can see it will ask you to confirm that you want to delete it. So you just here to proceed you are going to type delete in the input field, which is this one. Once you type delete you are going to delete your account, and that's it. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe and like the video.